All right, we are doing a backyard bar workout today. That is bar with 2 R's and an E. So it is a little bit windy, but this is real life. So we're gonna do a backyard bar workout together. I'm gonna walk you through all the movements of what we're gonna do, and then we'll do it full out. So for this, you will need some sort of support. I definitely recommend it. You'll be about elbow distance away from your support, and then you're gonna bring your feet to a V. So you can do this flat-footed or in releve, tiptoe, whatever you would like to call it. So when you're in tiptoes, make sure your heels are together, and then you're gonna bend your knees so you can sink as low as you would like, and then make sure you tuck your tailbone here. You want a flat back, so a heavy tailbone. You're gonna just take it down and up. This is a big calorie burner for the thighs, really toning the thighs, so down and up. And we'll do that for 30 seconds. And then hold it low. So you're gonna tuck and bring your tailbone to your ribs. So think curling your tailbone under and just tuck there. And then from there, you'll bring your feet parallel hip width, and then start with your right leg. So you're gonna stay flat-footed here. If you wanna go on tiptoe, that's okay. You lift your leg for 2 counts. So you're gonna lift it for 2. Try to get it as high as you can. You'll feel the top of the thigh working. So this one you'll do for just 15 seconds on either leg, straightest leg, completely upright. And then just so you can see, I'll switch sides. Again, those feet are parallel. Left leg this time, just lifting for 2 counts, and then tap the ground. You don't have to tap the ground. You can stay lifted. And then finally, you're going to come back, bringing that side into the bar again. You can do this flat foot or tiptoe. I'm gonna do it on tiptoe just to show you. Feet are hip width, stand tall, straightest legs, and then bend your knees, staying on tiptoes, but squeeze your thighs together this time so they're touching. And then squeeze the thighs and then tuck the hips. So it's squeezing in and then curling under. And then the final movement, you're just gonna put it together. So squeeze, tuck, squeeze, tuck. So these movements are small, that's okay, but that is your backyard bar workout. Let's do it all out. All right, it is time for the backyard bar workout, full out. We are doing it. So start with that support structure, whatever you're using. Come about elbows distance away. You're pretty close to the structure. Your legs, your feet are in a V. If you wanna do it flat foot, stay there. If you don't, rise to your tippy toes or to releve. Pull your heels so they're touching, and then bend your knees, staying on tiptoe. You're going to take it down and up. So just lowering and lifting. You wanna stay on high heels as you're dropping this seat. So think your body is completely upright here. It's just a straight line moving up and down. So we're doing this for 30 seconds. I am starting to feel the shake in the legs, so you should too. So just staying here for 30 seconds. If you need to make it smaller, that's okay. If you wanna take it about 1 inch, 3, 2, and 1. Okay, here we're gonna hold it low and tuck. So think, press your navel back as you tuck your hips under. You can even squeeze your bottom as you do this. So think squeezing the butt as you press the belly button back and tuck your hips under. The thighs are really burning here. You should feel this. We're here for 30 seconds, hold on to it. I know this is burning because I can feel it too. So keep going, keep tucking. These movements are small, tailbone is heavy. You're almost there. Stick with it, fight through it. 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. You can shake it out. Your legs might need a little break before coming back to your surface. This time your feet are shoulder width apart. They're flat on the ground. If you want to rise to tiptoe, that's an extra challenge, so you can do that. Stay grabbing onto your support. Your right leg to start, lift 2 counts. So it's a slow lift. So think lift halfway, lift up, halfway down. So 15 seconds here. Try to keep your legs as straight as possible and switch sides. So take it to the other side. Again, out. Here's lift. So think halfway up. Relax through your shoulders here. You don't want to build up tension. And last one. And then finally, come back to your support Bring your feet back to those shoulder width position, rise to your tippy toes or stay flat foot if you prefer. And then bend your knees, staying on your tiptoes if you're there. Your hand can come to your hip and then squeeze those thighs together. So I'm gonna show you from the front, squeeze thighs. So squeeze the thighs, then tuck the hips. So think squeezing in and then tucking forward. So in, forward, your chest stays up right here. Try not to hunch, try not to sit your seat back. Squeeze, tuck, 30 seconds here. You have one more exercise left. And last one, put these together, squeeze, tuck, squeeze, tuck. So think in and forward, try to stay on those tippy toes if you're there. Keep your shoulders back, keep that tailbone heavy. Last 30 seconds of your bar workout. You can do this, keep breathing, breathe through it, almost there. You got it. You got 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. That was a huge calorie burner because I know my legs are shaking. Hope you guys liked that. If you did, make sure to check out our other workouts and of course subscribe to our YouTube channel.